Today's PR unboxing is very special. It's from a brand with whom I've shared a connection since 2+ years. I saw a brand for the new age woman wherein all the trendiest pieces were at one place. I have a very special announcement to share with you all. They are unveiling a new chapter and they have their story to tell for the first time. But do you know what the tagline is? You are. UR is not just a tagline, it's about embracing who you are, being your own authentic self and embracing your unique journey with pride. Urbanic is celebrating individuality and self-belief and I'm so proud to be a part of this chapter together with them. Also, the shopping experience has completely changed with their all-new revamped website, their beautiful new app interface, the vibrant color palette. Oh my god, it feels like a breath of fresh air and I know that I'm going to be spending a lot of time on it.